Best directions for kitchen. Best kitchen direction, Southeast kitchen Vastu, fire element direction in Vastu. Southeast direction, Agni corner. The best direction for a kitchen is the southeast, governed by Agni, fire element. This ensures harmony between fire and other energies in the home. The cook should face east while cooking for maximum positivity. Northwest alternative. If the southeast is unavailable, the northwest direction is the second best option for a kitchen. It balances the wind and fire elements. Avoid directions. Northeast. The kitchen in this direction disrupts the energy flow meant for spirituality and peace. Southwest causes negative energy and health issues. Stove placement. According to Vastu Shastra, the gas stove should be placed in the southeast corner of the kitchen, facing east. This is because the southeast direction is considered the Agni Kone or fire center of the house. Place the stove in the southeast corner of the kitchen. Ensure the cook faces east while using the stove for better energy alignment. Facing east. While cooking, it's recommended to face east to harness positive energies. Avoid placing the stove near water elements like sinks or refrigerators to prevent fire-water clashes. Facing south while cooking, as it brings negative energy. Sink/water elements. Vastu for kitchen sink, water placement in kitchen, sink direction. North or northeast. Place the sink or water elements, for example, water purifier, in the north or northeast direction. Avoid fire-water clash. Ensure the sink and stove are not adjacent or in direct alignment. Nitrates are the most common element of tap water, followed closely by phosphates. Iron and manganese are also commonly found in tap water. Tap water is monitored for more than 100 contaminants and subjected to almost 90 safety and quality regulations. Refrigerator. Kitchen Vastu tips suggest placing the refrigerator either in the southwest corner of the kitchen or in one of the corners, but never in the northeast corner. The kitchen as per Vastu should never be cluttered, so organize all the utensils neatly in a cabinet in the south or west corners of the kitchen. The refrigerator should be placed in the southwest corner. Avoid putting the refrigerator in the direction of the north or east. Always ensure the fridge isn't close to a corner or hooked to a wall when positioning it. The appliance can be positioned in the west, north, or northwest directions. Storage cabinets. Kitchen storage Vastu, cabinet placement Vastu, kitchen shelves directions. Southwest or west, store heavy utensils and grains in the southwest or west direction. Avoid clutter. Keep the northeast corner clean and free from heavy storage. According to Vastu Shastra, the best wardrobe direction as per Vastu is southwest. If that is not possible, the northwest as wardrobe direction as per Vastu will also suffice. Placing wardrobe facing Vastu in these directions can ensure prosperity in the home. Vastu identifies the west-northwest (WNW) as the right location for the storeroom, which helps maintain peace and tranquility. Your storeroom should not be constructed in the northeast, nay, direction of the house, as this has caused ill effects. Dining table. Dining table direction Vastu, best direction for dining table, dining room Vastu tips. West or northwest. The ideal direction for placing a dining table is the west or northwest part of your house. It aligns with the element of air and ensures harmony among family members during meals. North or east alternative. If the west direction is unavailable, the north or east directions are also favorable. They promote positive energy and digestion. Avoid placing the dining table in the southwest or northeast corners, as it disrupts energy flow and can lead to disagreements. The placement and orientation of the dining table in your home play a significant role in ensuring harmony, positive energy, and better health among family members. Kitchen colors. The colors in your kitchen play a vital role in balancing energies and creating a positive environment. According to Vastu Shastra, each color is associated with a specific energy and direction, and using the right shades in the kitchen can enhance harmony, health, and prosperity. Best kitchen colors. Kitchen color Vastu, ideal wall colors for kitchen. Warm colors. Shades like orange, yellow, and red are ideal as they represent the fire element and bring energy and positivity. Earthy tones, brown, beige, and cream signify stability and are excellent for cabinets and countertops. Soft green represents freshness and growth, suitable for accent walls or decor. Avoid dark colors like black and grey as they create a dull and heavy atmosphere, and blue or green shades in excess as they conflict with the fire element. Use warm and vibrant colors for walls to enhance the fire element, such as orange, peach, or light red. Avoid blue or black on kitchen walls as they conflict with fire energy. We anticipate a rise in kitchen colors inspired by nature. Serene sage and various earthy greens are poised to make a splash, bringing a sense of calm and tranquility to the kitchen. These hues effortlessly connect the indoors with the natural world, creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Ventilation and windows. Kitchen ventilation Vastu, window placement in kitchen, best direction for kitchen windows, exhaust fan Vastu. Explain the importance of proper ventilation and window placement in the kitchen. Highlight how these elements ensure the free flow of positive energy, eliminate stale air, and maintain harmony in the home as per Vastu Shastra. Good ventilation removes smoke, odors, and excess heat, creating a comfortable cooking environment. Proper air circulation prevents stagnation of negative energy and enhances the fire element in the kitchen. Place large windows in the east or north direction to allow ample natural light and airflow. Small ventilators can be installed on the south or west walls to complement air circulation. Avoid blocking windows with heavy curtains or objects to ensure unobstructed energy flow. FAQs Kitchen Vastu. What is the best direction for a kitchen as per Vastu? The ideal direction for the kitchen is the southeast corner of the house, which aligns with the fire element, Agni. If the southeast is unavailable, the northwest corner is a suitable alternative. 2. Which direction should the stove face? The stove should be placed in the southeast corner, and the cook should face east while cooking. This ensures positive energy and good health. 3. Where should the sink be placed in the kitchen? The sink and water-related elements like water purifiers should be placed in the north or northeast corner of the kitchen. Keep the sink away from the stove to avoid a clash between fire and water elements. 4. What is the best color for a kitchen as per Vastu? Warm colors like orange, yellow, peach, and beige are ideal for a kitchen. These colors enhance positivity and harmony. Avoid dark shades like black or grey, as they suppress energy. 5. What are the remedies for kitchen Vastu doshas, flaws? Use Vastu pyramids or copper plates to rectify directional flaws. Place a bowl of sea salt in the northeast corner to absorb negative energy. Maintain a clutter-free kitchen to improve energy flow.